I think that one of the most powerful features of blogs is that the RSS magic they have allows them to be easily transferred over to other services. Um, in a previous video, I already showed you how to set up following your blog by email, but a lot of teachers are interested in having their blogs automatically published to Twitter. So in this video, which will be a little longer than some of the other ones, I'll show you a way that you can have any new posts from Blogger automatically flip over to Twitter. In this case, I'm going to assume that you've already got a Twitter account set up, but I'll walk you through all of the other steps required. So for a while, we're going to leave your Blogger site and we're going to open up a new page, and we're going to go use a tool called If This Then That, and the address for it is ifttt.com. So if this then that, ifttt.com, and we'll have to set up an account here. So we're going to sign up, and my account will be publish to Blogger. So I'll set up my account here, click create an account, and I get a nice little welcome message here. And now we're ready to get going with if this then that. So we're going to make our own recipe here. So if this, oh, then that. Oh, it's showing me a tutorial here. Continue and create a channel. We don't need to worry about that. We'll just go with a few things here. Dropbox, Evernote, Twitter, feed. That's going to be our Blogger. Click continue. And I'm going to ignore these suggestions that come up and go straight to my recipes. So we're going to create a recipe here for the first time. So we'll click on this create a recipe, and now we're going to click on if this. So if this happens, and the this we're talking about is if you publish a new post on your class blog. So if this, we click on it, and then we're looking for Blogger as the trigger channel, and we have to activate it. So we're going to click on the activate button, and if this then that is going to ask for permission, so we'll click on allow access, and we'll say done, and we click continue to the next step. So for this one, any new post, we want anytime there's a post on our blog for it to be flipped over to Twitter, so we'll click on any new post, and we will create the trigger, and it's going to check here. If you've got multiple blogs, you may need to select this, any new post on your blog, and it is telling us which blog here, so we're just double checking that to make sure it's right. It opened up in a new tab. I'm going to jump back. Then that. So the that channel is going to be Twitter. I can scroll down here and find Twitter. And we have to activate the Twitter channel. And so we'll authorize this app. And it's activated. We click done. We go to the next step. And then what we want to do. So we will post a tweet with an image. We'll just do post a tweet. And so what it will do is it'll grab the post title and the post URL. So for this particular example, how to share a YouTube video, it would grab a link to this title, and that would come out in your tweet along with a link to this specific post. So it won't go to your blog homepage, it will be the link directly to that post. I'll jump back to my if this then that tab. I'll say create the action, and now I just need to activate it. So if there's a new post on my blog, then publish a tweet, and I will create the recipe, and now it should run automatically in the background. So what I want to do is just run a test here. So I'm going to go back to my blog, and I'm going to do a new post, and I'll title my post testing blog to Twitter, and the text of my post will be isn't if this then that awesome, and I will publish that. So it is now live on my blog. Now if this then that recipes run, I'm not sure, every half an hour or something like that, but what I want to do is I want to have it check the recipe right now and see if we can get it to run. So check the recipe, and it says it was run one time, and if I go back to Twitter and I refresh this page, I should see that I've got one new tweet now. I obviously just set this account up for this video, and yes, it went directly to my Twitter feed, and if I click on the link, I will be directed right to the blog post. It did grab the title of my blog post, that is. I click on it, and it brings me right here to my post. If I want to go back to my blog homepage, I can click on the title. And basically, the nice thing about if this then that is now I can forget this. I never have to come back to this page again. Although I may want to make sure that I do save it to my bookmarks, so that if I do want to come back and edit this recipe at some point in time, I can do so. So there's how to get your blog directly out to Twitter.